Max Your Journey Tribe, today we have a shed tiny home. Guys, now I always say, could you rough it in one of these? I have a lot of followers like yourself out there that are actually living in sheds already, sleeping in back of cars. They're already tiny home living, and it isn't as nice as this, guys. I understand that. I have been down before, and sometimes we have to deal with what we have, guys. So that's what I'm saying. These, you don't need to live in a mansion to feel good, to feel great. You could go tiny home living, keep it affordable, make memories, guys. So with this home, let's see what we like about it. I love the porch. I love the colors. This is a shed tiny home, guys. Look at that. Exposed beams up top, the space, full kitchen, sitting area. Guys, if you love tiny home living, you should already smash that subscribe button. Now on TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, a lot of followers reach out with questions. So I'm gonna answer some of those as we look at this beautiful home. One thing they ask is, what about stability? Far as a storm coming, it's the same thing you would do with like a mobile home, a trailer. You will want to tie it down. You will want to make sure the structure, the foundation is well put together and is strapped down. Your house can get damaged by a storm the same way a shed can or RV can. If the storm is that bad, you probably just want to seek shelter elsewhere, just like you would with your house, guys. So same type of issue, you just want to secure this. Beautiful living room, that big barnyard door, guys, master bedroom. There's a lot of space in this. Now, guys, another question is always about heating and cooling, insulation. I don't know if I can stand it. They're thinking, or you're thinking, with a shed mentality, like when you go outside and your shed is hot or cold with the weather. Now, these will be insulated just like your house. Spray foam in the walls, rolled out foam or insulation in the walls, even in the roof, and flooring is where you want to put a lot of it. That's why you have this tin, beautiful roof up here, guys. What do you think about that? So your heating and cooling would actually be a lot cheaper because your footprint is smaller. So that bill would drop down, as well as a mortgage bill, right? Because these are a lot cheaper. Think about the positives, guys. You got a master bedroom suite. Another question I get is storage related. I don't know if it has enough storage for me. I can't live tiny. Well, you could put storage under that bed. You could put storage in cabinets, the bathroom, organizers. There's lots of tiny space storage organization skills. Even those little foot things right there at the bottom of the bed, they could actually be harder ones with storage inside of them. Ottomans with storage. The wardrobe in here. You gotta think tiny. Tiny with big ideas, guys. You have a full-size bathroom, tub, shower, toilet, sink combo. Even his and her sinks, if you need them, there's plenty of space with the lighting in here in that window. I love it. Just picture a whole tiny home community, guys. Your family gets together. You guys buy the land together, so you're saving money. Washer dryer hook up here in the corner. You have that tiny home community. You all get a shed like this. You spread out. You start building more memories and making positive impacts with your life instead of tied to a mortgage, guys. If you like tiny home living, hit subscribe. And hopefully you check us out on TikTok, Instagram as well, Max Your Journey. I'll see you guys. And if you would, check out the next video, because YouTube, they know what you like and we got what you need. Could you rough it?